What's up, you guys? As you guys do or do not know, I've been living in Korea for quite some time now, and one of my favorite things about Korea so far is the convenience store foods. You cannot beat it. Compared to the US, it has all different kinds of ramens, all different kinds of Korean meals, drinks. Anyhow, I will just show you guys what they have at the store. Let's go. We have arrived. We're in front of the convenience store, and now I'm going to take you guys in so we can buy some convenience store food. So we got a bunch of snacks and a bunch of ramens, and I think today I want to try one of the really spicy ones. I believe one of these are super spicy. We also got all these different types and ice cream later. That's my childhood favorite one, Melona. And I usually get one of these meals. I got chicken katsu, bulgogi, egg. I'll go with this one because it has a variety. I usually never get sausages, but I guess we'll try one for this YouTube video. So this one's super hot. I'll get the medium. This is just hot. That's super hot. Korea has also a bunch of different coffees. This is strawberry milk. I always get a lime sparkling soda. And I think I'm just gonna get a Milkis. And late for me later tonight, I'm gonna get, what is that? Grapefruit and some more blueberry. Alright guys, we just got home, brought everything in. I'm going to show you guys one by one what I bought. I got the bulgogi, kimchi, chicken, egg, and whatever else is in here, combination meal. Everything also, by the way, together cost less than 15 USD, US dollars. I got a sparkling lime drink. I got these for later, blueberry soju. I got grapefruit soju. I like to just drink these straight. I actually don't prefer plain soju. I just don't like the taste. I got Milkis, which is like a Korean carbonated yogurt flavored drink. I got the sausage right here, the hot one. I've actually never had one of these prepackaged ones. I got the spicy, I believe this is chicken ramen. And that's it. This is what I'm going to be eating, primarily this, and that together. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put this in the microwave. It says either 2 minutes and 20 seconds or 240. I'm going to pick the higher one because I think my microwave is pretty weak. I'll just do 230 for now. And then while that's heating up, let's open this up. I'm not very fluent in Korean, so I don't really know what the exact directions are. Alright, so we got that. This is the paste. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, put water up to the line in there, hot water, let it cook on its own, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drain the water. Water's in there, cover it up, fold that, put a chopstick on it like that. These instructions, alright, so I don't even know what it says, but I'm pretty sure we just put this in the microwave. I think it says to put it in 30 seconds. So let's cut, so we're gonna open it right here. So we're gonna open it in the corner and then put it in the microwave for, let's try 30 seconds first. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for maybe 30 to 40 seconds because I don't think it's cooking very well. It'll cook quicker. And then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave. These noodles need to sit for a little longer, then they'll be cooked. Then I'm gonna drain the water and mix this stuff in. I have to hold it tighter. Oh, that's hot. I don't want to drain all the water, just most of it. So there you go. It's in here. I'm sucking at all this today. Hopefully this is the spicy one. It looks spicy. All right, that's what it's looking like. We're gonna mix it. And then we're gonna put in the other bag. So that's hot. All right, now we're gonna add this bag. Well, maybe I was supposed to add this earlier. It's just powder. So what that looks like. Maybe it makes it thicker. I think that's probably the chicken part of it. There's the final product. Got the noodles, a meal, and this sausage that I haven't tried before. Alright guys, hopefully everything is in the frame. This is harder than it looks to be a mukbanger, but let's try these fire noodles first because I've never had the ones in Korea. So it actually shows how spicy it is. 4,535 SHU. I forgot what the SHU stands for. That's pretty spicy. And then you got the sausage. Not really impressed by this. This is good though, because I've had this one before. There's bulgogi, mushroom, and onion. Nice and sweet. Just plain sticky rice right here. And you have this egg omelet kind of thing. And right here is like it's like kimchi stir fry with pork. I'm not too sure what this is, like a deep fried thing with like, I think there might be noodles in there. Won't focus. This is like a sweet chicken. There's more kimchi on the side. So the cup fire noodles, the noodles are actually thicker than the ones in the States that I've had. Yeah, this sausage, I'm not that impressed by this Korean sausage. It kind of tastes rubbery. I forgot about my milkus. So here's the milkus. I drank this all the time as a kid. And as an adult, this is really good mixed with some soju. You can mix it with plain soju and it's tolerable. But I also mix it with the flavored ones. This sauce is actually better in the meal than the one that I bought separately. And I'm pretty sure that these meals get delivered daily to the convenience stores. And that's the one thing, or one of the things that I'm gonna miss when I go back to the States is they don't have convenience store foods like this. And in a way, I think Korean convenience stores is a big part of the culture here. I mean, it's in Korean dramas. People go there all the time for lunch or just get something really quick. And typically my channel is a fitness channel, but I'm trying to do more different content for you guys. And I thought I should highlight Korean food since I live in Korea and I don't really highlight too much about Korea itself. So drop a like if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do future videos like this. But yeah. Guys, I'm sweating. I'm supposed to go to the gym after this, but my stomach's probably gonna burn. So I think for another video I want to do, you guys, is maybe get a few different flavors of soju and just drink and talk. What do you guys think about that? And maybe rate my favorite flavored soju. Because I had a wine video, but I took it down where I was just drinking wine and talking, and a lot of people seem to like that. Yeah, I think I might not finish this right now because I want to work out. And when you have really spicy food in your stomach before a workout, it just burns. So I think I'll save that for later, but I'll finish all this other stuff right here. I'm not really digging the sausage because it tastes like rubber. But yeah, you guys, this is Korean convenience store food. There's also different variations of these meals and maybe also the ramen that they carry depending on the convenience store. Because I went to the GS store, I think it's called GS21 or something. GS25 is what it's called. And there's also a purple convenience store, I think it's called CVS something. And there's 7-Eleven. But depending on the brand of convenience store, there's different types of things that they carry. So maybe I'll do a different convenience store next time. But yeah, there's convenience stores everywhere. It's always walking distance. Anyhow, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to conclude it right here. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.